Such a new car can't even sell for 10,000 yuan. Do you know why? Come take a look. The fuel consumption is high, but the gas pedal's normal and the engine doesn't shake. Any idea why? Let's go check the front. The owner drove home on the highway and noticed the fuel consumption became extremely high. Then the owner went for a diagnostic check. The results suggested changing the ignition coil. They cleaned carbon deposits, the throttle, and replaced the slip plug. Spent over 8,000 yuan, but the problem wasn't solved. The owner contacted me through a private message. Today, let's see if we can help solve this problem for the owner. Actually, high fuel consumption issues are simple to solve once you understand the cause. He said he drove at high speed back home, where there's a lot of dust in the mining area. He also replaced the air filter and airflow sensor, but the problem still wasn't solved. Now, I suspect there's an issue with the parts that many repair shops often overlook. Come, take a look. It's this! The air temperature sensor. Let's take it out and examine it. It's very simple to remove. First, unplug it. Okay. Then use a tool to remove this screw. This tool is widely available, costs just a few cents. See, the screw comes off easily. Now pull out the sensor. Okay. We've found the cause. Look! The sensor head is covered in dust and carbon deposits. Now that we've identified the problem, it's easy to fix. No need to replace it and waste money. Get a tissue and lay it on the ground. Then use some cleaner to clean off the carbon deposits. See how dirty it is? The dust affects the sensor's accuracy, impacting fuel consumption. Okay, it's clean now. Looks like new, right? Let's install it and test. This sensor's main job is to measure the engine's intake air temperature. At 30 degrees Celsius, it signals less fuel injection. At minus 10 degrees Celsius in colder weather, it signals more fuel injection. Alright, everything's installed. I'll start the car and check if fuel consumption improves. Hey folks, if this solves the problem, remember to give me a star for support. Now let's start the car and power it up. One turn and it's on. We'll drive a bit to check if fuel consumption decreases. Look, the current fuel consumption is 14.5. Let's drive and check again. Ready to go. We're off. Down to 11. Now 9. Impressive! After just half an hour, fuel consumption is down to 8.5. Problem solved, right? See how simple it was? Don't forget to subscribe.